Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to see if you are blocked on phone call. Why would you want to know how to see if you are blocked on phone call? Well, maybe it is your first time using phone call and not sure how to see if you are blocked on phone call. So today I am going to show you how to see if you are blocked on phone call. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Seeing if you were blocked on phone call is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open phone call app. Now dial a number or select a contact and then press on call. If the person is busy, try after 1 hour and 2 hours. If it is constantly showing busy, it means you were blocked by this person. There you go. If you wanted to know how to see if you were blocked on phone call, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.